Hello students, welcome to my channel. Students, in this session we solve some important 1 mark questions for your annual examination 2023 and 24. So guys, let's start the session. If you want to not see the first part of this series, then you can go to the playlist or click on I button. So today is part 2. So first question number 1. Solve the following exponential equation. Okay. This type of question, first we equal the base. So first write down 3 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power x equal to 3 to the power 8. Now that implies 3 to the power x by 2 is equal to 3 to the power 8. Now base are equal, then we should equal power, that is x by 2 equal to 8. So x equal to 16. Okay. Next question number 2. Divide this by this. So divide minus 20 root 10 divided by 5 root 10 and x to the power 4 divided by x2. Now root 10 cancel, 5 4 ja, that is minus 4. X to the power 4 minus 2, x to the power 4 minus 2. So minus 4x square. Clear? Next, find the solution of the equation. Okay, 3 by 7 minus 17 by 7 equal to plus x. Simply then solve kariba. So 7 3 minus 17 equal to x. So x equal to minus 14 divided by 7 equal to minus 2. So answer is minus 2. Clear? Question number 4. Probability. A bag has 4 red ball. Okay. Red equal to 4 and yellow equal to 2. Then find the probability of getting red ball. So probability of red ball is equal to, how many red ball are there? There are 4 red ball are there. Divided by total ball, that is 4 plus 2, that is 6. So 4 by 6, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, that is 2 by 3. Clear? Next, question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Simplify. So 3 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 to the power 0. We know that anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So simply you can put 1. So write down the degree of the polynomial. Here the variable is x. So the power of the variable is 1. So degree equal to 1. Okay. If the equation is 47x root over plus x, it is not a polynomial. That's why the degree we cannot find this polynomial. Okay, because it is not a polynomial. But in this case, degree is 1. So question number 7. Solve of x. Okay, solve for x. 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x. We can write 3 into 1 by x equal to 3. Now 1 by x equal to 3 by 3. So that implies 1 by x equal to 1. So x equal to 1. Clear? Next, when a die is thrown once, find the probability of getting 0. 0 means we know that the die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are there. There is no 0 are there. So probability equal to 0. Clear? Next, question number 1. Find the value of this 15 divide 125 to the power 1 by 3. We know that when the power is rational number, then we solve by this method, like 5 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 3. Now 3 cancel. So 15 divided by 5, so equal to 3. Clear? Next, write the polynomial this in the standard form. Okay, standard form means arrange the variable in decreasing power. So first write down 15 p to the power 6 p to the power 5 4p square plus 4p plus 3. Here the degree equal to highest power of the variable is 6, so degree equal to 6. Okay, next question number 3. In the given word Bhaskar, which letter show the rotational symmetry of the order 2? Now that is H, S. Okay, now the two letters are there, S and H. Next, question number 4. A bag contain 2 red ball, 3 black ball. Find the probability of drawing a black ball. So write down probability of black ball is equal to, how many black ball are there? Now there are the 3 black ball. Total is 3 plus 2, that is 5. So 3 by 5 is the correct answer. Clear? Next, evaluate by using property identity. So write down 98 square. We can write 100 minus 2 whole square. Yes or no? So now 100 square a square plus b square, that is 2 square, minus 2ab, 2 into 100 into 2. Now 1 4 0 plus 4 minus 400. Now add the number, that is 10004 minus 400. So 9604 is the correct answer. Next question, question number 2. Find the x. 5 to the power x minus 4 equal to 5 to the power 0. Now x minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 4. Okay. Find the sum of the interior angle of a regular hexagon. Okay. The formula is n minus 2 into 180. So here hexagon means n equal to 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 4 into 180 degree. So equal to 720 degree. Okay. Next, question number 4. Divide minus 49x to the power 4 divided by 7 root 7 x to the power 3. So now 7 7 ja. So minus 7 divided by root 7 into x to the power 4 divided by x to the power 3. Now we can write 7 as root 7 into root 7 divided by root 7 into x to the power 4 minus 3. So root 7 cancel, minus root 7 x to the power 1 or x. Okay. Next, question number 5. In the given word rectangle, which letter shows the rotational symmetry of order 2? That is n. So correct answer is n. Write the order of the rotational symmetry of the square. Order is 4 and angle is 90. Okay. Next, question number. Simplify by using identity. So now 82 square minus 18 square. Use the formula, that is a square minus b square, a plus b whole into a minus b, that is 82 plus 18 whole into 82 minus 18. Now add the number 0, 100 into 12, 8, 4, 7, 1, 6, so 6, 4, 0. Clear? Next question. Find the value of x if root 6 whole to the power x equal to 6 to the power 4. Now 6 to the power x by 2 is equal to 6 to the power 4. So x by 2 equal to 4. Now x equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8. Clear? Next question, question number 3. Find the sum of interior angle of a regular octagon. So formula is n minus 2 into 180. So here octagon means 8. So 8 minus 2, that is 6 into 180. So 6, 8 ja 48. Carry 4, 6 1 ja 6, 4 10, 0, 1080 degree. Okay. Next, find the measure of x in the given figure. Okay. We know that sum of the polygon, okay, sum of the polygon exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So we can write x plus 100 plus 60 plus 85 is equal to 360 degree. Now find the value, that is x equal to 360 minus 100, 5, 14, carry log 1 to 245. So 5, 6 minus 4, sorry 5 minus 4, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, okay, 115 degree. Clear? Next question, what is the order of the rotation and the angle rotation of the rectangle? So order is 2 and angle is 180 degree. Angle is 180 degree. Okay, next question number 6. If the angle of the rotation of the figure is 45 degree, find the order. We know that order is equal to 360 divided by angle, that is 45. Now cancel. 9 4 ja, 9 5 ja, 5 8 ja, so 8. Clear? Now evaluate using suitable identity. First we can write 201 as 200 plus 1 and 199 as 200 minus 1. Put the formula, that is a square, that is 200 square, minus 1 square, that is 4, 40 minus 1, that is 39999. Okay, 1 2 3 4 40. Okay, next question number 2. What is the probability of getting red queen from the deck of playing card? Red queen, there are the 2 red queens are there, so probability equal to 2 by 52 equal to 1 by 26. Okay, next question number 3. 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 by 3. So x 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 2. Rule is power means multiply. So 3 cancel, 2 to the power 2 into 2 cancel, 3 cancel, x to the power minus 1. Now 4 to by x, because any power is the negative thibo, then divided is 1 by, so answer is 4 by x. In the word task, which letter show the rotational symmetry of order 2? Now that is x. What will happen to the volume of the cube if the side is half? Okay, if the side is a, then volume is a cube. Now side is half, that is a by 2, then volume is a by 2 whole cube. So a cube by 8. So volume becomes 1/8. Okay, 1/8. Next, divide this 125 root divided by 5 root 5 x to the power 3 by x square. So that is x and ye cancel. So khali x. Clear? Completed. Thank you.